Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you set up your Cloudinary account with your project. Now from the Cloudinary we are going to get four kind of keys that we are going to use in our project at various places. Now for the uploading we are going to use only two kind of keys. One will be cloud name and the second will be our upload visit. And for the more detailed work like deleting and updating, we are also going to need API keys and API secret key. Now let me show you how can you get these keys and use it in your project. Now first will be cloud name. So cloud name you can get in this dashboard alone. And as for the second key, which will be our upload visit, you can go to uh, the settings, and from here you can go to the upload and just scroll it down, and here you will see upload visits, and these are the names that we use as a key in our projects. As you can see, I have already three upload visits here. Now if you want to add one more, you can just click on this button, and then you can also give a custom name, or you can just leave it as it is. So now here, if you want that in your application anyone can upload files in your application, you want to be checking this to unassigned, otherwise keep it as signed. So I suggest you to make it unassigned if you want to make your application public. This will allow all the users to upload the files in your Cloudinary so that you can save it in your Cloudinary. Now after that, just save it, and there you go, you have a new upload project. Now here in this code, as you can see, I have used the Cloudinary upload project here and as well as cloud name. So for uploading the files, we just need two keys here from the Cloudinary, which is upload visit and the cloud name here. And I have used the Cloudinary API to upload the file. Now let's go back to the Cloudinary and check it out the other two keys. Now to get the other two keys, we have to go to the access keys here, and here you will see API key and API secret key. So these two keys you can get it from the access keys in the settings, and these are generally used for deleting, updating your files in the Cloudinary. So let me show you an example of how this works. So as you can see that I have written a delete API function here, delete an image from our database as well as from the Cloudinary. So if you scroll down, you can see that I have used the cloud name here, and also I have used the Cloudinary API key and the API secret key, and using these three keys I will be able to delete the file from my Cloudinary after deleting the same file from my database, which is the image here in this case. So this way we will be able to use these keys here. So this was all for this video, where we saw that how can we get all four keys from our Cloudinary and use it in our project. So access keys are for generally deleting and updating your files in the Cloudinary, and upload visit and the cloud name will be generally for the uploading your files from your project. So thank you for watching this video.